Received my delivery from WC Wicked. I picked the snow camo. It comes in this black plastic sealable bag. These replacement ear pads are made from softer leather and memory foam. And it also comes with some paperwork for the installation. And if you scan the QR code, it'll also show you another video. They feel like they're made well with good quality material. And to me, they feel just as soft as the original, which I wasn't expecting as it's a replacement from another company. You also have your left and right, which you're going to stick inside the cup area. First, I'm going to pull on one side of the ear pad, and it just pops away from the plastic clips, which you can see are on the outer edge of that ear cup. Now I'm going to pull away the inner material, which appears to be stuck down with double-sided tape, which you can peel all that off, as the new piece comes with double-sided tape ready to stick it back on. This I can simply cover over and then press into position. And here you can see all the clips around the outside, which we're going to press the ring of the ear pad until it clips underneath the plastic clips, which is then going to hold this ear pad in position. Simply press all the way round until you've pushed the thin edge under all the clips. Then just check around the outside to make sure they're all clipped in position. Here's a before and after. Now I'm going to quickly do the same with the other ear pad. And that's it, they're all good to go. Straightforward swap, very comfortable, and they're priced at about £30. Now we're going to look at adding on the skin from Extreme Skins. I went for the black camo and brushed gold. Now you notice they also do skins for consoles, phones and laptops. First I'm going to use this wipe to clean the parts of the headphones that I'm going to use the skin on. Then I use the microfiber cloth just to dry it. First I'm going to start with the black camo and stick this on the cup section of the headphones. This is the first time me doing it, so it's not perfect. This is me showing you my attempt at putting it on. I lay it as best as I can in position, then start pressing down on the skin and pushing towards the edges. As the cup is curved on these headphones, the skin starts to form some creases. Now you're going to need to add some heat, which I use a hairdryer. If a crease forms, you can peel it back. The skin will heat up and mold better to your headphones. And slowly the creases go away, which I use my finger near the creases just to push that out. That's one done on my first attempt. Now we're going to look at doing the second one. And follow the same steps and add heat when I need it. Peel the skin away from the cup when it forms a crease, heat it up, then the creases will start to disappear. Now I'm sure you'll be able to apply this better than I did. I'm happy with the way it looks, and the bubble did come out over time. Now for the easier bits. This section didn't need any heat, as you'll find the flatter surfaces are easier to do. And one thing I noticed was the brushed gold was a slightly thicker material than the black camo. I'm going to simply do the same on the other side, pressing and sticking in place, and you can pull it up slightly and re-stick it down if you didn't get it perfect the first time. Now it's time to add the skin to the rest of the band. For this I decided to go for the black camo. This section is also nice and easy to stick on, with no issues and no heat needed, by simply pressing and sticking into place, which I choose to do the same colour on both sides, which you can obviously mix this up and go for whatever colours you want, which you'll see there's a big range of patterns and colours to choose from. The price of the skins I bought were priced at £9, and that's the cost for both of them. So £30 for the replacement pad, and then £9 for the skins. That's my headphones complete with a new look. Now time to try them on and see what they look like. Thanks for watching. I'll leave links and information in the description below. Subscribe and like. Welcome to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.